Happy Wednesday, guys! I had really hoped that I would be able to have a Watermarble Wednesday ready for you guys, but unfortunately, time was not on my side, so fingers crossed for next week. But I do have this really fun and pretty double stamping nail art to share with you. This tutorial is going to be a bit different from my usual ones because I did this a while ago, so I don't have the images of all the polishes or products I use, but I was still able to list them. So if you'd like to see how I came out with this look, keep on watching. For the base coat of this nail art, I'll be going in and using Essie Rock the Boat, and this one is a bit on the sheer side and uneven side, unfortunately, so I'll be doing this one in 3 thin coats. To help make the cleanup process easier and to protect my cuticles, I'll be going in and using Mini Manny Moo's Mess No More Latex Barrier. For the stamping, I'll be going in and I'll be using Mundo Blue as my first stamping polish, and the second color that I'll be using is the same brand, Mundo Barbie, which is a gorgeous pink, and I will also be using this Born Pretty store Haraunota stamping plate along with my clear jelly stamper. The trick that I find with double stamping is to make sure that when you're lining up the images that they, yes, are aligned, but they're not 100% equal. You have to kind of angle it so that your first stamping image does show through a little bit under the second one. And now that I finished with my cleanup, I'll be going in and applying one last and final thin coat of Glisten and Glow's top coat, which will seal in my mani and speed up the drying process. And there we have it for this pink and blue stamping or double stamping nail art tutorial. As I did mention before, this one is a bit different from my usual tutorials because this was from before I decided that I was going to do voiceovers, so my apologies for that. But what did you guys think about this video? If you did like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and or a thumbs down. And as always, I just want to say thank you for my faithful followers. And to those of you who are new to my channel, welcome and thanks for subscribing. I will have the products used in this listed down below. And feel free to leave any questions and or comments as well. As always, guys, stay glamorous.